to my channel, guys. Today I'm introducing to you my favorite quinoa salad. This salad is so easy to toss together, and with the creamy lemon vinaigrette that I made for it, guys, is the bomb. You cannot go without this basic recipe, guys. It has a lot of merit into it. So let's get started. I soaked 1 cup of quinoa, and once you soak this quinoa, you don't want to use 2 cups of water, like as the package would say, right? I would use 1 3/4 cups of water into this, and then you want to bring it to a boil. Now, who puts a little bit of salt in the quinoa? I do, just a little tiny bit, all right? And then you want this to boil until the water evaporates. Here you can see the quinoa is done, and I'm going to place it into my serving dish and just spread it out a little, just so that I can get a little bit of that heat out from it. So once I spread it out, guys, at this time you can feel free to use any type of vegetables into your salad. Alright, so what I'm going to add here is some finely chopped kale, some black beans that I did prepare from scratch. I soak this bean, then I pressure it. It is soft yet firm. And then I'm going to add some grated carrots along with some broccoli and some red bell pepper. I also did add some hot pepper in here. Well, it's not too hot, but it brings back that little flavor for me. You can omit that. Okay, then I'm going to also add some chopped cilantro, some red onions, and guys, I cannot wait to pour my salad dressing into this here. So I'm gonna mix. I just love to see my colors. I want to see what it looks like before I actually put my dressing onto it. I'm just so obsessed with colors, man. Look at how beautiful this is. So I'm going to start making my dressing. Here I'm using some olive oil, some lemon juice. Oh, a seed got away in there. We need to take this seed out, guys. Then I'm going to add some Dijon mustard, and check the description box below, okay? Every details are gonna be listed there. I also did add some red pepper flakes into mine. You can leave that out if you don't want anything too spicy. Some black pepper, some oregano, some mint. Add any type of seasonings you want into your dressing. I'm also going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. And no, guys, I did not use any garlic because I can't take fresh garlic like that, all right? It's not for me unless it's cooked. And this is my creamy salad dressing. Pour it over your salad and mix it well. So here we have a healthy, packed vegetable quinoa salad, guys. Give it a try. I hope it becomes your go-to quinoa salad, and guys, let me know how it turns out for you in the comment. Okay, pack it for lunch, pack it, for picnics and healthy eating, guys. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.